So the connection between Brunel and TWI started around 2002 through the NSIRC program at that time. So we started to have students from Brunel based in TWI, Cambridge, at that time helping us to do research. Because of the success of the collaboration, we expanded our collaboration into the Brunel Innovation Center, which we started in 2009. And again, because of the success, we kicked off the NSIRC program, which is the National Structural Integrity Research Center. So NSIRC started around 2012, the whole program. It is a 10-year program funded by HEFKI, Regional Growth Fund, and also industrial sponsors. So Brunel being the lead academic, so it's taking an active role in the success of NSIRC. All the research being carried out by the students, be it in NSIRC or our programs, can be linked to the real-world situations, which means that once they graduate, they can apply the technology and they can fit into the industry straight away. And that's the advantage that we have.
What makes this program unique is the fact that it is industry-based and it is industry-informed, and this is achieved through close collaboration with the TWI Welding Institute, but also informed through the industrial advisory boards. The dissertation projects are delivered or provided by industry, primarily TWI, and ranging from looking into the challenges that are faced by industry at the moment, at present, such as corrosion analysis in the oil and gas structures, offshore, onshore. We're very happy to hear from our students. It is very encouraging to learn about their successes.
I was working in oil and gas engineering sector for about 9 years, up to 2019, where I joined Brunel. Brunel was one of the university I get out of many. I decided to choose Brunel based on the course content offered. I found them to be appropriate on what I'm doing, on what I'm interested to pursue in future. The expectation was met, and it was beyond my expectation actually. I was interested in the model facility and the practical facility that has been used to teach us, because they are exactly the same what really used in industries. It was good for me to experience them and learn more about it. My plan after gaining this knowledge, it will not only be based on Tanzania, but I'll be happy to work international, so to expand my career knowledge and my career experience